I'm Mihela. Today we talk about one of the most common birds in the world. The rock dove. The rock dove, rock pigeon or common pigeon is a member of the bird family Colombidae. Fairly large pigeon with wild and feral populations throughout the world. The domestic pigeon descended from this species. Escaped domestic pigeons have increased the population of feral pigeons around the world. Pale grey overall with two bold black wing bars and iridescent purple and green on neck. Feral varieties are common in cities and farmlands, often in large flocks. Rock doves have been domesticated for 5,000 years. Numerous breeds of fancy pigeons of all sizes, colors and types have been bred. True wild birds nest on cliffs and in caves from Western Europe to Central Asia. Their calls are like locally named Paraviya. Like me, you would have seen rock doves everywhere you go, possibly every day in your life. These are some of the videos of us feeding rock doves in Oriya.